It is freshly washed, and I don't have any products in it right now, but I think I'm just going to braid it in sections and then sit under the hair dryer for this style. So let's get started. So I'm just gonna use Kara's Daughter Minoe leave-in conditioner. No particular reason. It's one of the last conditioners or leave-in conditioners that I have, so I'm just gonna use that. I did wash my hair with Nairobi shampoo and conditioner, so I'm gonna use the smokeless detangling cream press with thermal shield conditioning for the relaxer look is what it says, even though I'm not certain if I'm gonna blow dry my hair or not just yet, but since I'm gonna go sit under the hair dryer, I think it'll still work out. I do want my hair to kind of have that sleek look to it. I don't know, maybe I will blow dry it. I don't know. I'm trying to minimize the amount of heat I put on my hair, so that's why I'm kind of on the fence, like, And using blow dry spray, maybe that is what I'm gonna end up doing. This is the Kenora blow dry spray, advanced dry thermal protection. And then I'm just gonna use my detangling brush to easily comb the products through my hair. And my hair is already detangled because I did that whenever I was conditioning it. I always detangle at that time. Alright, so I'm just gonna braid it up. And a lot of the videos I watched on YouTube, people did the butterfly braids with weave or, added hair. But I don't feel like doing all that. So I'm kind of gonna see how this comes out with just using my hair. But we're gonna see together. So hopefully it's cute. Either way, I'm just gonna rock it so it doesn't matter. But alright, I'm just gonna braid the rest of my hair and go sit under the hair dryer, so I will be back. Oh, before I go, I do want to share with y'all, so for me, by me sectioning and detangling my hair whenever I'm conditioning it makes it way easier because it's already sectioned. Like the twists have kind of come apart, but it's still kind of in the same space I had them twisted in. So like, see, 1, 2, 3. So all I have to do is go and apply products to those sections, and it's way easier to get through. So that's just a tip that seems like it's been helpful and beneficial to me, so just sharing it with you all. Okay, so my hair is pretty much dry, almost. I think I sat under the dryer for like 30 minutes, so almost dry. I'm going to take the blow dryer to do the rest of it. Oh yeah, it's still a little damp because as I'm undoing this, I can feel it. Like it would have been a pretty little twist out or whatever, braid out. All right. Comb through it a little bit because I don't want to be putting heat on it the first time it's getting combed through in this state. So detangle real quick. Okay, so time to style, and I am literally just gonna figure this out as I do it. So yeah, just come along with me for the ride because we're gonna figure it out. Some of the things I have is like this little edge brush and comb, handy dandy rat tail comb, bobby pins, and some rubber bands. Do y'all see that shine, baby? Shine, baby, shine, shine, shine. Ooh, hunty. Make me want to go ahead and flat iron it and have a beautiful silk press, but I'm not gonna do it. Okay. So hopefully that part is straight because I did not check the back of my head. This is my gel. So I was really debating about if I wanted to leave a piece of hair out and hang it, because then that means that I have to do something with that piece, whether it's curling it. Oh, and it's like, do I want to maintain that throughout the week because I really want this hairstyle to last? Like, I feel like a little side piece is cute. You know what? We're going to put that away. Nope. We will just... because it'll be cute for right now, but then it's like, I'm going to be sleeping on it. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. Alright. We're going to put this around here. Flip this up. Get it going on this side. Okay, so a little piece seemed to manage to get out. It's okay. So I'm grabbing a hair clip because I need to just hold it, and that's gonna be that. So I got the first braid here. So now I have unclipped that portion and back to my jam. This my jam, y'all. Okay, I'm just gonna put this again around the edges. All right. So I added some jam in between the hair section so that it could hold it, because again, I really want this to hold and last for the week, because I don't want to comb my hair this week. I'm just a little over my hair. All right, so now we're gonna fix the little part in the front again. See, I don't really have short hair in the front. It's like long hair. So that'd be the thing. It's like, I mean, I guess I could cut it, but then part of me feel like, no. I guess I'm just fussing about nothing if I ain't gonna cut it, but it's like, yes, I want to make baby hairs, but do I want to like go to the extent of cutting my hair to make them? All right, so that's like a little miniature one. All right, so I'm gonna just put a rubber band on the end of it because I don't quite know exactly what I'm gonna do with, like, I'm thinking I'm gonna pull it up like this. I don't know how it look. Y'all see it before I see it. Or if I should like make it like, you know, like a little ball hanging on its own. That's kind of cute too, to be its own little ball. All right, so I'm gonna do the other side and then we're gonna figure out the ends. these are the final results. I really loved them. This hairstyle did last the entire week, and I did receive so many compliments. It was easy to maintain because I just put a hair scarf on it at nighttime. It just came out beautiful. Thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys on the next video.